Hello, I'm Dr. Marten. My mouth is open. I don't know. What is good, YouTube? It's Liam from Sneaker Clinic. You did not just see that. Thank you for tuning in to this sneaker restoration video. Now, my client, she actually dropped me her pair of Dr. Marten's boot a while ago. And it's taken me a long time to actually work on this. I've been busy. COVID. But enough excuses. So what I need to do is just re-glue this poor Dr. Marten's mouth that's been open and separated for a while, and just clean the upper, and that's it. But no, that is not all, because I'm nice, and okay, it took a while. I've been busy. Yeah, I don't want her to wait any longer, and I really want to give her a bigger surprise when she does pick up this shoe. Oh yes, I forgot. The left side also has that stupid issue. I'm gonna do a full exterior clean on the house. I'm also going to try to restore the upper leather because it is very bad. It's scuffies everywhere, knicks, paddywhack, I don't know. Look at this, just look at this. It's gross. But she did tell me that she likes this pair of boot. She can honestly buy another pair, it's not that expensive. But enough wasting time, let's get started. Let's clean this boot first. Rejuvenator cleaning solution for sneakers. All three brushes, softy, the medium-y, and the stiffy. Wobbly freaking shoe trees. If not, grab extra cloths, stuff the inside so that you have pressure while cleaning this freaking boot. Why do I like to clap? I need to stop making sound effects. I'm gonna use a soft bristle brush because I like it. Let's just twirl it around. Keep in mind that I am leaving the shoelaces on during this first round of cleaning because I'm not afraid of any color bleeding. It's all black, so we good. I know other tutorials, they always like to play awesome music and they don't like to talk much, and they just like to show you 2 seconds of cleaning, and then the rest of the video is like, hey, check out this before and after. But for this video, I want to show you guys how easy it is just to get the first round done using a soft brush. Don't forget to clean Dr. Marten's nasty tongue. Don't worry about his mouth right now. Just clean this, make sure you pat it dry. Actually, holy moly, look at the before and after. Doctor's hair removed. Make sure you clean the inside of the tongue area. Stiffy brush for the doctor's feet. I'm so excited. Sorry, YouTube, I was listening to some music. Embarrassing. I should just suffocate myself with the Walmart bag. So I did a little cheating, I'm sorry. Off camera, I went ahead to restore the left side of the boot, glued this little Dr. Marten's gap. I still need to clean it up. Pro Leather Restore product. It comes with a bunch of colors, and luckily it has black. And actually it comes with a brush. A very sexy brush for you to apply this leather filler for any big little damages. So here, take a look. Yeah, I'm gonna try to smile in the background. All right, it looks a lot better than before. Not perfect, but you know what? I don't care. And then after that, I did 2 coats of flat black. I'm still waiting for the shoe goo. You can see it actually works. I think we're gonna show you exactly how we're going to fix up this other side. Another 360 so you guys can see the condition. Oh my goodness. It is just, hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna use my sharp nails to scratch this part off. Oh, grab my gloves. That's how it looks like right now. Whew, can we cue some free YouTube music? Is it starting? The time lapse done. Oh, it's going too fast. Oh. Shoe. What you gonna do when you need to glue your shoes and you don't got that glue goo? Let's wrap this video up. Yeah, check out my Instagram, Sneaker.Klinic, for all the work that we do before and after photos, whatever post that I feel like posting. This stitching, I'm gonna definitely clean it one last time, and then just lace the boots up. Take a non-sexy photo because I'm not in the mood right now. Yeah, take a look. If you guys are curious, it's not the best, but I'm happy. It's looking a lot better. I always like to make sure that the tippity tips are even. Yeah, I just like to do things properly. Miss Customer, you can just do that yourself. Shoo-goo. Shoo-goo. Shoo-goo, goo-goo, gag. Wait. What? Where's the cap? Oh, I think I know. It was the acetone that's making me go high.